ready to turn your crypto holdings into a profit-generating machine. Let's jump straight into posting ads on Bybit. First, head over to Bybit and log into your account, then navigate to the trade section located at the top of your screen. From the trade drop-down menu, select P2P Trading. This will take you to the peer-to-peer trading platform where you can create your ads. On the P2P Trading page, look for the Post Ad button. It is on the top right. Click it to start creating your advertisement. Now, the ad creation page will appear here. You'll need to specify whether you want to buy or sell crypto. Select the asset you want to trade. Then choose the fiat currency you prefer to use. You can also set the price type, either fixed or floating. A fixed price means the price remains constant, while a floating price fluctuates based on market conditions. Choose what suits your strategy. Next, define the total amount of crypto you're offering, the order limit, which is the range you are willing to trade per order, and the payment methods you will accept. Be as specific as possible in your payment methods to attract the right traders. Finally, add any specific remarks or conditions you want to include in your ad, then click Post. Congratulations! Your ad is now live on Bybit's P2P platform, ready to connect you with potential traders. Keep an eye on your ad and be responsive to any inquiries. Happy trading!